Here are some easy chocolate cake decorating ideas that will impress your guests. 1. Chocolate drizzle. Simply drizzle melted chocolate over the top of your cake to create a simple but elegant decoration. You can use dark, milk, or white chocolate depending on your preference. 2. Chocolate shavings. Use a vegetable peeler to shave thin pieces of chocolate from a bar and sprinkle them over the top of your cake. 3. Chocolate ganache. Mix equal parts of chocolate and heavy cream to create a smooth and rich ganache. Let it cool until it's thick enough to spread and use it to frost your cake. 4. Chocolate curls. Use a warm knife or spatula to create curls of chocolate and place them on top of your cake. You can also use a vegetable peeler to create curls if you have a steady hand. 5. Chocolate transfer sheets. These are sheets of edible chocolate with designs or patterns printed on them. Simply lay the sheet on top of your cake and the design will transfer to your cake when you peel the sheet away. 6. Chocolate dipped fruit. Dip fresh fruit such as strawberries or raspberries into melted chocolate and place them on top of your cake for a simple and healthy decoration. These are just a few easy chocolate cake decorating ideas that will impress your guests. You can also experiment with different toppings, such as chopped nuts, sprinkles, or coconut, to create a unique and personalized decoration for your cake. So get creative, have fun, and happy decorating!